The handheld wars are over. For 3 years, we've lived in a world of compromises. You either chose the Steam Deck for its battery and ease of use, or you chose the original ROG Ally for its raw power, while living in constant fear that your microSD card might melt or your battery would die before you finished a single match in Apex Legends. But today, the game has changed. The era of the compromise is officially dead. Deep within the labs of Asus and AMD, something predatory has been created. A machine so fast it makes the original Ally look like a prototype. A machine so efficient it finally silences the SteamOS's better crowd. Welcome to the official era of the Asus ROG Ally 2. This isn't just a mid-cycle refresh. This isn't an X version. This is a generational leap that puts desktop-class power in the palm of your hand. If you've been thinking about buying a gaming laptop or a Steam Deck 2, stop. Don't move. Don't spend a single cent. Because by the end of this video, you're going to realize that everything you thought you knew about portable gaming is now obsolete. We are going deep into the leaked benchmarks, the revolutionary cooling, and the secret weapon known as the Ryzen Z2 Extreme. Let's talk about the heart of the beast, silicon. The original ROG Ally was powered by the Z1 Extreme, which was impressive for its time. But the ROG Ally 2 is built on a custom, 2nm AMD Ryzen Z2 Extreme architecture. Why should you care? Because for the first time, we are seeing Zen 5 and RDNA 4 cores in a handheld. The leaked benchmarks are terrifying. We're seeing a 50% jump in multi-core performance, and a GPU that can push 60 frames per second in Cyberpunk 2077 at 1080p natively. No more blurry upscaling. No more low settings just to get a stable experience. The Ally 2 is designed to play AAA titles at high settings, period. But it's not just about raw speed. It's about intelligent power. The Z2 Extreme features a dedicated NPU for AI-driven frame generation. This means the watch doesn't just work harder, it works smarter, using AI to fill in pixels and keep your gameplay fluid even in the most demanding environments. But power is useless if the machine feels like a radiator in your hands. We all remember the thermal issues of the first generation. Asus heard you. The ROG Ally 2 introduces zero-gravity 3.0 cooling. We're looking at a redesigned vapor chamber and dual fluid dynamic bearing fans that are nearly silent. But the real kicker? The anti-gravity heat pipe system. Asus has completely moved the heat-sensitive components, including the microSD slot, away from the exhaust vents. They didn't just fix the problem. They re-engineered the entire airflow. Early testers are reporting that even after 2 hours of Starfield, the back of the device stays cool to the touch, and the fans never hit that high-pitched jet engine whine that ruined the immersion on the first model. Now let's talk about the display, because this is where you'll be spending all your time. The 1080p IPS screen on the original was good, but in 2026, good isn't enough. The ROG Ally 2 is expected to feature a 7.4-inch tandem OLED display. If you haven't seen tandem OLED, prepare to be ruined for everything else. It uses 2 layers of organic LEDs to deliver a staggering 1,500 nits of peak brightness. The blacks are perfect. The colors are so vibrant they look like they're being projected into your brain. And yes, the 120Hz refresh rate is